Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best digital multimeters on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. BSIDE ZT301 Digital Multimeter. The BSIDE ZT301 is a portable, versatile, and easy-to-use digital multimeter that measures various electrical and chemical parameters with high accuracy and speed. It features a large LCD display with backlight for clear readings in dark environments, a flip kickstand for hands-free operation, and a PT protection circuit for safety. The BSIDE ZT301 has an auto-ranging function that automatically selects the best range for measurement, and a true RMS function that accurately measures AC voltage and current. It has a maximum display of 8,000 counts and a sample rate of 3 times per second. The multimeter can detect voltage polarity and automatically shut down after 15 minutes of inactivity to save battery power. It comes with a user manual, test leads, temperature probes, a user manual, and a carrying case, and is powered by 2 AAA batteries. This reliable and affordable multimeter is suitable for various applications, including schools, laboratories, factories, home use, and professional use. Number 4. Sunshine DT17N Digital Multimeter. The Sunshine DT17N Digital Multimeter is an essential tool for electronics enthusiasts and hobbyists, offering accurate measurements, a user-friendly interface, and exceptional features. With an impressive operating temperature range of 0 to 1000, it is suitable for various applications, including basic electronics testing and specialized projects involving high temperatures. The user-friendly interface is intuitive, and the device's controls are responsive and well-designed. The comprehensive user manual makes it easy to grasp its full potential and functionalities. The DT17N's LED high-voltage output measurement is invaluable for electronics enthusiasts working with LED circuits, requiring high-voltage output measurement. The compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry, while its sturdy construction ensures durability in various environments. Overall, the DT17N is a reliable and versatile multimeter that has exceeded expectations in its performance and user-friendliness. Number 3. UNI-T UT61B Plus Digital Multimeter. The UNI-T UT61B Plus is a reliable and versatile digital multimeter capable of measuring up to 1000 VAC/DC. It features a display count of 6000 and a wide range of features, including data hold, backlight, max-min relative mode, USB communication, input protection, diode continuity test, and NCV detection with audible and visible alarm. The multimeter is powered by 4 1.5V batteries, R03, and has an auto power off function. It has a RS-232 and USB interface for connecting to a PC and transferring data. The UNI-T UT61B Plus has high accuracy and resolution with an error margin of less than 1.5% for most ranges. It comes with a gift box, a cloth bag, a user manual, a battery, gold-plated test leads, a USB cable, a temperature probe, and a multi-purpose socket. It has CETL and GS certification and complies with CAT IV600V safety standards. Number 2. KAIWEETS KM601 Digital Multimeter. The KAIWEETS KM601 Digital Multimeter is a reliable and powerful tool for enthusiasts, electricians, and engineers. It boasts a 2-color LCD screen, true RMS technology, and safety features like IX61010-1 CAT 31000V and CAT IV600V ratings, making it suitable for high-voltage applications. The device comes with double insulation for added protection. The KM601 Digital Multimeter is an all-in-one device serving as a voltage tester, frequency multimeter, diode electronic tester, capacitance digital meter, and ohm meter. Its compact size and lightweight design make it easy to handle with a user-friendly design and well-organized buttons and dial layout. The device requires 3 AAA batteries for operation, but the use of widely available AAA batteries mitigates this concern. Number 1. Gvda GD128 Digital Multimeter. The GD128 Digital Multimeter is a versatile and easy-to-use device that measures various electrical parameters, including AC/DC voltage, AC/DC current, resistance, capacitance, frequency, duty cycle, diode continuity, and NCV. It has a fast response time and high resolution, and can measure up to 1000 VDC or 750 VAC, 10 ADC or AC, 60 M resistance, 6001/4 F capacitance, and 10 MHz frequency. The NCV function detects live wires without touching them, and the temperature probe measures from -20 degrees centigrade to 1000 degrees centigrade. The device also features an audible and visual continuity tester and a diode tester. Despite minor drawbacks, such as the absence of a backlight button, true RMS feature for AC measurements, limited duty cycle function range, and manual range option, the GD128 is a reliable and versatile tool, suitable for hobbyists, students, technicians, and professionals. It comes with a large LCD display, a rotary switch, relative mode, data hold function, low battery indicator, and auto power off feature. The device is powered by 2 AA batteries and has a battery compartment at the back. The compact and lightweight device features a rubberized casing for protection from drops and shocks. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.